Steven，我哋 Amanda，我哋而家嚟到最 last 嘅地方啦，你知唔知呢個地方喺邊度啊？
呢度係 Sudbury 同埋 North Bay 之間嘅叫做Mushers。
咁我哋最主要係嚟呢度玩呢個狗拉雪橇嘅地方旅遊景點啦。
係。
咁不如我哋請我哋負責人啦 Jennifer 過嚟介紹一下好唔好啊？
好，呢個嘛。
係 Jennifer。
Hi.
Hi. Maybe you can introduce yourself and tell us something about the tour.
My name's Jennifer, and I own and operate Mushers Dog Sled Tours. Mushers actually stands for Making Unique Siberian Husky Experiences Running Sleds, and that's what we do here. We strive to promote and educate the breed of Siberian Huskies while encouraging winter activity, sport, and healthy lifestyles.
Mushers 呢笪地方係可以坐到用狗仔拉雪橇嘅地方嚟㗎。咁其實呢度咧，除咗可以坐雪橇之外咧，大家見到啲狗仔咁得意咧，其實係可以領養㗎噃。呢笪地方咧，亦都有好多好特別嘅套餐，其中一個就係可以喺情人節同情人一齊坐雪橇，聽落都幾浪漫啦。
隻狗好 Q 啊！要佢拖我哋走咪好慘好辛苦咯。
嗱，呢種狗咧，呢種 Husky 狗咧，其實係一種工作狗嚟嘅。如果即係你叫佢唔做嘢咧，反而咧佢仲唔健康，或者係對佢嘅生理有乜影響㗎。所以咧，其實係拉雪橇咧，佢係非常之樂意，亦都係對佢身體好好多。
係咩？咁我哋一齊試下咯。
好啊。
嗱，大家睇到咧，呢個咧就係佢哋休息嘅地方啦。呢啲西伯利亞 Husky 佢就係喺西伯利亞嘅地方咧，其實經常係-40度嘅零下40度嘅。咁而家喺呢度飼養佢哋咧就非常之適合。但係咧頭先我哋睇到佢哋咧餵嘅食物咧全部都係冰咗嘅肉。咁佢住嗰啲屋咧就係咁簡陋啦。咁佢都生存得到嘅喎。咁大家睇下。
Dogs sleep outside and you sleep in a tent. But you learn how to make sure that the dogs are well cared for, that they're fed and watered, how to massage them down so their muscles don't stiffen up. You also learn about snacking, trail checks as well, because it's important that the dogs are well hydrated and well cared for, otherwise you're not going anywhere, right? My youngest dog in here right now is 6 months old, and my oldest is 8. Yes, we do offer in the fall a mini mushers program, and that's where we throw you into the dog yard for one weekend, and we teach you everything involved in being a musher. So you get to know all the behind the scenes stuff that brings together what you're going to see today.
So what are they doing in the summertime?
They're relaxing. Vacation. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Summertime is vacation for them.
Summer break.
But we do have children's summer camps that we put together to socialize the dogs, teach children how to raise dogs responsibly. So they do get a lot of hands-on time in the summertime as well. We have 3 different breeds in the kennel. The first and most primary one is the Siberian Husky. That's what we like to stick to because of their personalities, their temperaments. The second breed we have is an Alaskan Husky, which is a mix between Husky and Greyhound. It's a new racing breed that the mushers in Alaska are using for dog sledding.
好啦，其實咧，我頭先聽到一個負責人講咧，8隻狗可以拖500磅走2個鐘頭，哇！叫我孭10磅走2個鐘頭都死啦。另外咧有一隻新品種喎，呢隻灰灰地呢隻咧就係呢一個 Husky 溝呢一個 Greyhound，咁呢一隻灰色嘅。咁大家可能有機會一陣間咧會睇到嗰隻狗個樣係點樣。
Okay, I'm going to bring some of the dogs out and start hooking them up. It's going to be really loud and hectic. They get really excited when it's time to go. They're going to bark and scream, and so are the rest of the ones that aren't coming. Okay, so when that starts happening, don't be alarmed if they get really loud. That's normal, okay?
緊張嘅時刻嚟啦，因為咧跟阿 Jennifer 講咧，啲狗咧好 excited 嘅。當佢一出到嚟咧，準備開工咧，佢一定要快。咁我哋要爭取啲時間，同埋咧佢哋會嗌得好大聲嘅。不如大家留意下啦。大家觀眾睇到啦，而家佢咧喺度綁緊啲狗咧上去個雪橇準備啦，啲狗好似好開心咁樣喎，都好期待出去跑個圈咁樣啊！好啦，睇下狗拉雪賽係點樣先，我都準備好啦。
13th. Having a good one too. It's really mild out. Great day. Good job, team. Did you have fun?
好啦，嗱，今日咧，各位觀眾啦，我哋嚟咗 Sudbury 咧，同 North Bay 玩咗兩日啦，非常之開心。咁啊，你覺得點樣啊？呢個旅程？
非常之有意思，
非常之正啊！
係咯，又學到好多嘢啊，又試咗好多嘢，睇到好嘢。
嗱，各位觀眾收睇完我哋嘅節目之後，係咪覺得好有興趣、好刺激呢？咁如果你想知道我哋今次旅程嘅任何嘅資料咧，就留意以下嘅 website。咁喺呢個時候咧，我要特別多謝咧 City of Sudbury 同埋 City of North Bay 呢次贊助我哋呢兩個旅程嘅。
OK，多謝，拜
拜拜。